We are right now in UCLA area on the way to the Getty Center at may nahanap kaming In-N-Out Burger. Of course, we all know that In-N-Out Burger is a very famous and iconic hamburger chain here in California. So, tingnan natin kung masarap pa talaga yung burger nila. Let's wait. 31. 31. Thank you. Ayan, nandito na yung mga fries at yung double burger na in-order ko. Kaya, let's do a taste test. Fries first without ketchup. Crunchy. Crunchy siya and then well seasoned. Actually, hindi kailangan ng ketchup. Nalagay sila ng parang salt kung gusto mo pang i-pepper it with salt. But for me, as is, okay siya. Masarap siya. Sarap. Wala akong masabi. Kaya, ngayon naman itong double burger. Ang laki. How do you eat this? So, inside, there's like cheese, double patty, onions. The onions, kailangan mong i-order kasi kanina tinanong ako nung server kung, sir, do you want it with onions or not? Sabi ko, sure, go put onions. And then, what's this? Lettuce and tomatoes. Alright? Crunchiness. What's the crunchiness? The bun? The bun is crunchy, ah? Isa pa. Gusto ko yung crunchiness ng bun. Yung meat patty, hindi overwhelming yung taste. Maganda rin yung pagkaluto, hindi siya sunog, hindi rin siya hilaw. Tama lang. I now see the reason why this is very popular. This is definitely one of the best burgers I've ever tasted. But if you have a small mouth, I guess just order the cheeseburger. It's so difficult to eat. So yeah, must try food definitely when you're in California. In-N-Out, mura pa.